Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ibeth and today we are doing a DIY project, as you can see by the title. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that I actually DIY'd my dining room pendant light, and it's actually made out of air dry clay. So when I DIY'd that, I was actually really impressed with like the way that it has held, honestly, and the beauty of it. I love the organic look and shape of it, which is why I wanted to attempt more organic projects. So with that being said, that's exactly what we're doing today. So for the first DIY, I wanted to DIY a clock. Came across this picture on Pinterest and I thought this was so beautiful. It inspired me to do something similar. I love the organic shape of it and I just thought it would look really cute in my home. So just a little FYI for you guys, this is my first time using this specific brand of air dry clay. I did use a different one that was from Michael's for my pendant light, but I would link them down below for you guys. I just wanted to share that with you because I did end up cracking this project, and I don't know, it might have been my fault or maybe the clay itself. So just wanted to share that with you guys. You roll the clay until you reach the desired thickness, and I actually tried my best to roll it as thin as possible because I wanted it to be as big as possible, but this is the best I could get. I did end up getting this clock kit from Hobby Lobby also. It was really affordable. I think it was like $3 or $3.50. And all I'm doing now is poking a hole just so that I can actually see where I'm going to pull the little or poke the clock kit through, so that I can kind of have an idea of like where or how to work my clay shape or the clock shape around that part. And then you're free to shape it however you like. I actually tried my best to make it as I guess artistic as possible. It was actually really hard, I'm not gonna lie, just because I had longer nails and my nails kept poking through the clay or scratching it. So I actually did love the project in itself, like the way that it turned out. And I was so sad when it cracked on me because I really felt like the shape that I had achieved or that I had done with this was really pretty. And I'm so sad because it doesn't look the same. It still looks beautiful, but it was just one of those things where, you know, you feel kind of bummed about it. Now for DIY number 2, we are starting off the same, rolling your clay. I'm actually going to leave it a little bit thicker this time because we're making a bowl. Basically just roll until you achieve the desired look. Now to give it kind of like the bowl shape, I don't want it to be super deep. I'm just using a tiny little plate so that it raises it up a little bit and give me the shape that I want. Now for the bottom part, I wanted to add some little kind of like legs, but in forms of balls. So that's exactly what we're doing here, kind of rolling some clay into small little feet. So I am going to be honest with you guys, and I did end up having to glue the legs, like the little balls, onto the tray or onto the bowl because they didn't dry into it. They somehow just like dried and then fell off. I'm not sure what I was supposed to do there. I am a newbie when it comes to clay projects, but I honestly didn't mind gluing them on. It still looks pretty and you can't even tell. Alright guys, that is all for today's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know down in the comments if you would DIY something like this. I know it's very different, but honestly I've been loving organic shaped items lately, and I also love how unique they are. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!